This is an installation guide for deploying liner over the muscle wall system, utilizing muscle wall's chain option. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process for deploying liner over the muscle wall once the walls have been set in place, secured together, and filled with water. For the previous steps, please refer to musclewall.com for other installation guides on how to properly set the walls in place. Unroll, unfold, and place the liner over the muscle wall system. Ensure the liner goes at least halfway down the back of the muscle wall and at least 2 feet in front of the toe of the muscle wall. Walk along the toe of the wall and ensure that the liner is flat against the curvature of the muscle wall. When working with a corner unit, ensure the liner is flat against the wall and that the edge of the liner in front of the toe is as flat as possible. It can be helpful to pull extra liner into the corner and pleat it as needed. Install a temporary liner clip to hold the liner in place until the liner installation is complete. If multiple liners are required for the installation, the edges must be seamed together. Overlap the two edges of liner, clean the surface that will need to be seamed, apply a strip of liner seam tape along the entire seam, and lightly heat the tape as you use a roller to fully adhere the seam tape to the liner. Do not overheat the seam tape as this will reduce its strength and effectiveness. On the side of the muscle wall without the toe, raise the liner to find the loose strap at each joint and cut a small horizontal slit in the liner at each end of the safety strap. Pull the strap through the liner and lightly tighten the strap. Do not fully tighten the strap at this time. Install a liner clip over the muscle wall and the liner in the first indent to the right of each bung plug. Loop the strap through the hook on the liner clip and tighten the strap. This will secure the liner clip in place. Do not over-tighten the strap. Over-tightening could damage the muscle wall. Stack 2 lines of cinder blocks on top of the liner in an offset pattern as shown. If preferred, sandbags can also be used in place of the cinder blocks. Stack sandbags by covering the tie-off end with the next sandbag as shown.